Look. Yeah, I took this photo today. And this one is fan organized. Advertisements going on in Tokyo. This one is on a famous big spot that everybody knows. In Shinjuku, my least favorite place in Tokyo. キャラの一番嫌いな東京の場所にあります。新宿。Why is it your least favorite? Because Shinjuku is like, it has this place, this district that's called Kabukicho. And Kabukicho, you know, is a lot of, like, it's like nightlife district, I guess. But, it's just, it can get a little bit, like, spooky sometimes, maybe for like girls mostly. But like Kabukicho doesn't like. Sometimes you still have to go to Kabukicho even if you're not looking for that kind of stuff, because some things just happen to be in Kabukicho for some reasons. Yeah, like live concert houses, or I think there's a cinema as well, and I don't know. Some good restaurants are there too. But even outside of Kabukicho, Shinjuku just always intimidates me. Basically, Shinjuku Station is a dungeon. Because there's like so many train lines that pass through Shinjuku. So, I got lost many times before. Shinjuku 駅マジでね、なんか迷子になることよくあり、怖い場所でありねえ、なんか一番多分怖い印象ができた理由は、なんか変な人に声かけられる場所である。まあいいところもありますけどね。まあ普通になんか行かなきゃいけない場所がたまにあるからね、しゃあない。ライブハウスとかもWell, but this is Unica Vision. Thank you for organizing it, Pong, and making this. It's gonna be on there for a while, every hour at 54 minutes. It's quite easy to find.